The question was made by a boss. If you ask that question, that means you sense that there is a problem. Because you said that your staff have got good relationship among themselves, they are talking to one another and so on, but you feel detached from them. So obviously, the reason why you're asking that question is for you to want to be connected with them. And being connected with your staff is extremely important if you're going to do great things together. There are companies that do simple things, okay? Stack the boxes, do the computer work, do simple things. Like you run a stationery shop or something like that. You have 3 employees and you come to work, you give them instructions, then you go away and they're just waiting for the customer to come and so on. So we're doing mundane work that is not so critical, and therefore there is a need, may not be a need for a connection with your staff. But if you want to grow your company and you want your staff to be happier, to work with you, because it's not about them working with themselves alone. They must be willing to work with you, because you are the decision maker, you are the inspirer, you are the one who gives them the salary, you're the one who's going to be promoting them. They need to know you. They need to feel your vibration. And therefore, without being connected with them, you'll be detached and they will be talking among themselves. And how do you know when they smile and talk about themselves, they're not talking bad about you? That could happen too, okay? And so there is a need for us to connect if we want to grow. How do you do that? Okay, so when I was working in many other organizations, growing up as an officer in the Singapore Armed Forces, we are not just a traditional army. We move from one job to another job every 2 years. Whenever I go to a new organization where I'm the boss, I have a boss, I have hundreds of people under me, what do? I quickly learn to get to know them. So I identify the leaders and I have coffee with them. I buy coffee for them. We have a beer sometimes. And so that's how I get into their world. Not on the work table, but in the coffee shop, in the place where we have lunch. So you as a boss must invest in going out with your key staff for you to understand them. Then they will tell you about what's going on among the other staff that they are leading. And then you will know that there could be a problem here and there could be a problem there, so you can go in to specific spaces, to specific areas, to specific people to go solve those problems. And when you do that, the word will get around that the boss has a heart, has some feelings. He or she really cares about us. Now that is a feeling that is very important for you to create, that you care and you love your staff. And when that happens, you know something? When you say, let's go, they will say, where, let's go. And when you say jump, they will say, how high? But otherwise, when you say, let's go, and you keep going, nobody at the back. When you say jump, they will say, why should I jump? And therefore, your company is not going to grow. So if you focus on growth, you got to connect, you have to care for your staff, you got to help solve their problems, and they must really feel that you care. The only way you can do that is to communicate with them, solve their problems. Thank you.